Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for coming back. This is your bonus love messages for the month of March 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it help you out in some manner, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, I don't read reversals. Gender is not specific here. You can have a look on other videos I have already uploaded. Okay, and if you like my video, if you have not subscribed till yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's see what are the bonus love messages for the month of March 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important for you. Love is all around, Aquarius. Okay, new love, old love is coming for you. That's the message which I am getting from this deck. Now let's see what are the messages from the Moonology deck for the month of March for Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver the messages. See, I told you a new romantic cycle begins. 1 minute. Just my camera. Okay, yeah. A new romantic cycles is going to begin. New moon in Libra here. Okay, so yeah, I told you new romantic cycle. Love is all around. A new romantic cycle is going to start for you. Your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn. So whatever hard work you are putting right now, Aquarius, that is going to pay off very soon, and your dreams need a practical plan. New moon in Taurus. So let's see more messages. Oh wow, don't let your past hold you back. Okay, don't let your past hold you back, Aquarius. That's the message. Learn the lessons from your past and move in a forward direction. Let's see what are the messages. The energy is gaining momentum. Okay, the energy is gaining momentum. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Any other message? Okay. Bottom of the deck I'm having, it's time to release negativity. Okay, full moon in Scorpio. It's time to release negativity. Thank you. The car horn is here. So this is a specific message for someone. The time has come for you to release any kind of negativity which you are having right now in your life. Then there is balance, spirituality, and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. You need to balance your spirituality and practicality, both, Aquarius. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra here. So this was the message from the Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with are Libra, Capricorn, Taurus, and Pisces. These can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, Libra, Capricorn, Taurus, and Pisces. So thank you, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Numerology deck. What are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Okay. There is someone who wants to make an effort. 0444 was the recording reading time, or you have to make an effort, Aquarius, in your self-discipline, because here I'm having self-discipline. So make an effort, create a self-discipline, Be in discipline, be in discipline in your life, Aquarius. So self discipline and effort is here. Then there is perseverance, okay, and there is pride here, okay. And again there is communication. So communication is coming towards you, lot of communication is coming towards you. In your main reading too, there was message of 8 of Wands energy. Lot of communication is coming towards you. And the numbers which can be important for you is 1, 3 and 4. That can be an important number for you, 1, 3 and 4. Okay, so thank you numerology deck for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the animal spirits. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Armindalo spirit, set up healthy boundaries around yourself, and that's very important to set up healthy boundaries, Aquarius. So set up healthy boundaries around yourself. That's the message which I'm having for you. Then there is lion spirit, be generous of spirit. Be generous of spirit. Vulture spirit is here. Nothing is wasted, and that's right, your hard work is going to pay off. That was the message here. Whatever you are right now, hard work you are doing, whatever you are doing, that is not going to wasted here. Nothing is going to wasted. Your hard work will be pay off very soon. So that was the message here. Then there is porcupine spirit, time for a beginner's mind. And that's right, new cycle is going to start in your romantic cycle too. So here a new romantic cycle begins, time for a beginner mind. Beautiful message here from the animal spirits. Thank you animal spirits for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from spell casting oracle deck. Wow, I just cut it out and I have reconciliation here. So many of you are going to get reconciliation, transformation. Beautiful. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for this reading. Give me the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius for this reading? What are the messages? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world? No. Okay. So yes, the answers which you are looking for are coming for you, Aquarius. The answers are coming for you. Okay. You have to keep your courage. Keep your courage here. Have courage and move in a forward direction. And there is animals, maybe you love animals or you have to support animals, or there is a message from the animals which animal give you. So these are the messages from the animals. Then there is empowerment. You're becoming more empowered, more powerful, like a empress, loving, caring, nurturing than before. And there is spirit guide which is there with you. Wow, beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. There is a spirit guide which is there with you, who is guiding you in your spiritual journey, in your life. There is a spiritual guide which is helping you out. Thank you for giving the messages. See, you're becoming your higher self. Can you see? You're becoming more empowered. You're becoming your higher self here. Let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. Listen to your intuitions, Aquarius. Kindred's partnership. Let's see what are the messages. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Professional assistance 1001 is the recording reading time. Maybe you required a professional assistance here. See, I told you intuition and manifestation. Use your intuitions and use your manifestation skills, Aquarius. Follow your intuitions here. Okay? And any other message? Wow. Joy is fun. 10 of Cups energy. Happy family, happy life. That is coming for you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having transformation. Beautiful, beautiful transformation is taking place for you. Any other message? The healing light. There is a loss here. So whatever you have lost, Aquarius, you are going to get the healing light for that. Maybe you're feeling that you have lost something, but no, don't worry at all. The healing is coming for you. The healing light is here. Okay? The healing light is coming for you. You have not lost anything. Whatever you are feeling that you are lost, you are getting the healing light. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. New beginnings. There is great achievement which is coming for you. New beginning. There is a cycle of new beginning which is happening for you. 1133 was the recording reading time. There is true love which is coming for you, Aquarius. There is honoring path and there is peace which is coming for you. 1144 was the recording reading time. Peace is coming for you. This is 6 of Wands, success, recognition, victory, the honoring path which is coming for you. This is beautiful. New beginnings. New happy beginnings are coming for you. There is a great achievement which you will get. There is true love which is coming for you. Any other message? No. Okay. You were in a stuck energy here, but you will find the milestone. You will get out of that stuck energy here, Aquarius. Okay, you will be get out of this stuck energy and you will cross that milestone here. 1 2 3 4 was the recording reading time. You will get out of from this stuck energy and you will move in a forward direction. That's the message here. Milestone is here. You will not be in this energy of stuck energy. Okay, you will get out of this energy very soon. Peace is coming for you. New happy beginnings are coming for you. This is very beautiful. Can you see? Ha ha ha. What a beautiful energy. There is true love. There is happy family, happy life. What else you want, Aquarius? Okay. This is very beautiful, very powerful reading for you. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the self-care. 1 or 2 message. That was fast. Okay. Boundaries and power. See, again, I'm getting the same message here. Set up healthy boundaries, Aquarius. Protect your precious time and energies. Okay, you need to set up healthy boundaries. Set healthy boundaries, which is the repeated message here from the both decks. That you need to set up your boundaries, protect your time and precious time and the energy. Then there is power. Own your power. Every storm brings up fresh new beginnings. Okay, own your power. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe? Please give me, universe, the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? See, I told you change is coming for you, Aquarius. Change is always good. Very powerful, beautiful, happy changes are coming for you. That's the universe which is trying to tell you that change is always good. Okay, change is always good. and forgive yourself, forgive others who have hurt you. Okay, forgiveness is here. Then there is I go where you go. Okay, the universe wants to say wherever you are, the universe is there. You are not alone. I go wherever you go. So change is coming for you and beautiful messages are here. Thank you universe for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Any message which I need to deliver. Bottom of the deck I'm having abundance. Abundance is coming for you Aquarius. Okay, have faith in the divine plan, have faith in you, have faith in the universe. Everything is working according to the divine plan, according to the divine timing. Okay, keep your faith Aquarius and have some patience here. Keep your patience and faith with you. Okay, so that's the message which I'm getting for you. Keep your faith and patience with you. And there is ancestors. I always get your message here. Either there is a spirit guide or either there is a message which I got for you that you are not alone at all Aquarius. There is a spirit guide which is there with you, who is guiding you, protecting you. They are ancestors cards. So there are blessings of your ancestors. Okay, you are having the blessings of your ancestors, you are having the support of your ancestors. You are not alone Aquarius, you are protected from the heaven too. So these are the messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. What are the messages? Live your bliss Aquarius. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Any other message? That's it. Learn from your mistakes Aquarius. Learn from your mistakes and accept struggles as your lessons. That's the message I'm getting for you. Then there is ask for guidance. Ask for guidance here. You need to ask for the guidance. Everyone has a value. Okay, everyone has a value. Calm is not a weakness. Okay, there is make each day count, live your bliss, and follow the golden rule. Whatever you will get back Aquarius. That's the golden rule you have to follow. Whatever energy you will put, you will get back. That's the golden rule. Thank you guys for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see one message from the law of attraction cards and then I'm going to close out your reading. Wow. I let my action be in action in joy. You have intended action. Action is a part of deliciousness of your physical world. But you did not intend to create through physical bodily action. You intended to use your body to enjoy the actions that you have created through your thoughts. Okay. So that's the message which I'm getting for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one more message from this affirmations on love and relationships. I love this cute small deck, Aquarius. This is beautiful deck. I can say that. Okay. Let me see. What is the message for Aquarius? Give me the message. Maturity. I make peace with the tough relationships of my past. I probably would have skipped the pain they came with, but I'm grateful for the lessons they brought me. Because of those tough relationships, I can look back at the mosque of my life and see value even in the most broken pieces. See, learn from your mistake. That was the message here. So whatever, now you're becoming more mature than before, Aquarius. Okay, that's the message which I'm getting. You're learning from your messages, you're learning from your tough relationships, and you have make peace with your past. Okay, so yes, this was your bonus love messages for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Sending you lots of love, healing light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. If you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.